Mack Brothers Catering Equipment. Mack Brothers is a leading producer of high-quality catering and medical equipment. Mack Brothers was established in 2002 and is a subsidiary of Grand Parade Investments, an empowerment company listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange with a Level 4 broad-based Black Economic Empowerment accreditation. With headquarters in Cape Town and branches in Durban, Johannesburg and Harare, Mack Brothers manufactures and supplies a range of stainless steel catering, refrigeration and medical equipment. In addition, Mack Brothers provides after-sales service and training by in-house chefs. From hotels to restaurants, golf estates to wine estates, canteens, hospitals and prisons, Mack Brothers is the leading authority in world-class manufacturing. But it doesn't stop there. Mack Brothers provides more than just high-quality catering equipment. Their product range includes medical sanitary ware, washroom accessories, mortuary equipment, extraction, cold and freezer room installations, and fire suppression solutions. Mack Brothers is a supplier to leading brands such as Burger King, the Spur Group, Dunkin' Donuts, as well as several other major restaurants and hotel groups. Mack Brothers has a fully qualified team of designers that liaise with clients from the concept stage through to final design, with a focus on creating efficient and sustainable solutions. From humble beginnings in a small factory in Woodstock to a state-of-the-art factory that has over 30 million rand invested in world-class sheet metal manufacturing machines. Our fabrication shop floor is fitted with a state-of-the-art Salvagnini panel bender, 2 Salvagnini fiber laser cutters, an electronic press brake, hydraulic press brakes, and a punching machine. These machines are backed up by a well-trained team to manufacture and assemble world-class equipment. Mack Brothers offers a high-end facility that employs the latest fabrication techniques to ensure world-class sheet metal manufacturing for local and export markets. Mack Brothers has a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. It is our vision to become the leader in innovative product design and service excellence to the catering and medical industries throughout Africa and the Indian Ocean Islands. Our goal is to supply a one-stop shop service to our clients, from design and manufacturing to commissioning and after-sales service. Contact us to make you successful. Mack Brothers Catering Equipment.